Planned for days. I'm gonna try and get that frame underneath this car. And I'm going to attempt to do it by myself. Don't know how that's gonna turn out. But I gotta get that frame underneath this car so I can get the Buick in. So I can start working on that and hopefully try and get that thing running. My idea is, it's just an idea, it's probably a bad idea, is I'm going to get maybe like a pulley and screw it into the rafter, and then maybe try and lift it up by myself. And then, I can like take that frame and slide it under here and, kind of set it back down on the jack stands. That's my idea. Whether or not that's a good idea, I don't know. I guess we'll find out. What could go wrong? Nothing? Everything? Roof could collapse? Nah, it won't. Okay, so I got a new idea. Not sure if this is going to be a better idea, but it's a new idea. I'm going to try and lift it by that with the cherry picker. And I'm hoping maybe it'll be semi-balanced and it might work. Probably not. I guess we'll find out. Okay, I'll bring you back in. Well, we did it. Well, I did it. Don't worry, it's not going to sit that high. I just got it sitting on the jack stands for now. I can't get the rear tire under it. I'm going to have to let that back end down. Whole thing needs to slide back. I'm going to put, it's an S10 frame. I shortened it up 8 inches. I'm going to put a lowering kit on it and whatnot. But I got a lot of trimming to do. I got to trim around that transmission tunnel area so we can get it to go down further. I think I measured it's about 2 inches. It's got to go back a couple inches yet, I think. Not exactly 100% sure. I think it needs to go back a couple inches. But yeah, I didn't go too bad, really. See, I changed my plan because that cross brace was bending. So I had to lift up on the front there. Worked out real good. I had to trim that out a little bit where the upper A-arms go. But yeah, looks pretty good, I think. 5.3 fits in there pretty nice. A little snug, but I might have to cut a bunch more of this inner fender out too, because I don't know if I'm going to even be able to get it. Yeah, I might be able to get exhaust manifolds in there. Maybe some headers, but maybe. It's going to be the best bet, I guess. But yeah, I'm pretty proud of myself. And then, look at that. We got all that room. We can get that Buick in here finally and get to work on it. And then, when I get sick of working on the Buick, I can go back to working on this. But yeah, I'm pretty dang pleased with myself. I got a lot accomplished today. You guys will see it. It's only 59 seconds long, but it actually took me an hour to do that. So, but yeah, it's nice. Get that thing dropped down there. Get a lowering kit on it. That's going to have a nice stance on it when she's all where it needs to be. You can see the frame down there. Sorry. The frame down there is way below the rockers and whatnot, so that's got all dropped down, but at least now I can put the cherry picker in the front and kind of move it around and bring it down and get everything right where it needs to be. Slide it back, get that transmission tunnel cut out of there a little bit, so then we can drop it down even more. Yes, give me something to do this winter. Got pretty good clearance everywhere. I gotta make some mounts and stuff, but this is just gonna be a rat rod, so don't give me crap for it. This thing's just gonna go fast, do big burnouts, and look rusty and green. It was too far gone to restore, and they ain't worth anything restored anyways, which is kind of odd because there's not very many of them. But yeah, I think I did a pretty good job today. I'll do a little bit more work on it after I get that Buick in here, clean the garage again, move this stuff so then we got more room, and I'll get the Buick shoved in here next week and we'll start wrenching on that. Heck yes. Nice. Happy. Proud of myself. But yeah. Alright, well, that's it for today. And see you next week with a little update on the Buick, and hopefully it'll be sitting right in here. Right here. Hopefully we can get that motor turned over and maybe get it running this winter. Kind of nice. At least get it cleaned out some more. I haven't taken the headliner down. I'm pretty sure it's probably full of mouse poop and mouse nests. So, but yeah, it was a good time today. Actually nice to see some progress. And I did it all by myself. So, till next time. Peace.